Hello everyone. Last video I was discussing about the decision tree algorithms. Today we are discussing about how to construct decision tree based on ID3 algorithms. The Here we have taken the data sets, the last 14 days weather data sets, and the attributes of these data sets: outlook, temperature, humidity, wind, and target attribute is play the cricket. Playing the cricket, yes or no. According to these data sets, outlook is sunny, overcast or rain. Temperature hot, mild or cool. Humidity is high, normal, and wind is weak, strong. And the playing cricket, that is target is the output is yes or no in the form. Here in this, according to these data sets, first we are the steps of ID3 algorithm to build the decision tree. You know, to construct any decision tree, we have required the root. First, to build the root node, and to find the root node based on the information gain, highest entropy, according you can construct. First step will be to create a root node. Then if all results are S, then leaf node is equal to S, will be returned is. The leaf node is equal to no will be returned. Step 3, find out the entropy of all observations, and entropy with the attributes X, that is entropy of sample, and sample with X. Step 4, find out the information gain and select the attributes with the high information gain. Step 5, repeat the above steps until all attributes are covered. What is entropy? Entropy is a function quantifying the uncertainty associated with a random variable. As uncertainty and or randomness increases for data set, so does the entropy, and the value ranges from 0 to 1 to represent the entropy of information. The entropy samples in a node is calculated as entropy of sample is equal to minus bracket p by p plus n bracket complete log p by again p plus n, that is a total, minus n again p plus n log n by negative values according totals, where pi is the probability of the class, s is the sample of training example, p is the proportion of positive example, n is the proportion of the negative examples. Calculation of entropy, here total in target attributes, how many yes and how many no's. Here in total 14 tuples, here yes is 9, no is 5. According to this formula, here we are calculating entropy of sample, that is minus 9 by 14 log of 9 by 14 base 2 minus is again no, that is 5 by 14 log of 5 by 14 base 2. According to this, the entropy of sample is equal to 0.94. Then if entropy is 0, it means that all members belong to the same class. And if entropy is 1, then it means that half of the tuples belong to the one class and one of them belongs to the other class. Means your data set divided into the equal two parts. And here 0.94 means fair distribution. Then next is information gain. Information gain, it is based on the decrease in entropy after the data set is split on an attribute. Attributed data is splitting. Construction decision tree is all about finding the attributes or asking the questions about the attributes that returns the highest information gain. That is the most homogeneous branches. For simplicity, the partition is done based on the single attributes, but we can do partition based on a combination of attributes as well. Find the information gain attributes which give the maximum information gain here. For example, windy, it takes two values, strong and weak. Therefore, x is equal to strong and weak. Then information gain of sample windy, the sample according I is equal to 0 to n p of x into h of x. Then find h of x, p of x for x is equal to weak and x is equal to strong. H is already calculated above here as per our entropy. Here weak is equal to 8, strong is equal to 6. Then probability of sample weak is equal to number of weak divided by total. There is number of weak is 8 by 14. Total is 14. And number of probability of strong is number of strong divided by total. Again 6 by 14 and 8 by 14. Then therefore weak is equal to windy. 6 of them says yes to play the cricket and 2 of them says no. So entropy will be the formula of entropy of weak is equal to minus 6 by 8 log of 6 by 8 base 2 minus 2 by 8 log of 2 by 8 base 2. According to this formula, we get the entropy of weak is equal to 0.811. For strong windy, 3 said no to play the cricket and 3 said yes. There is again here 50%. 3 total sample according. The entropy of strong is equal to minus 3 by 6 log 3 by 6 base 2. So this is positive portion and this is negative portion. Minus 3 by 6 log 3 by 6 base 2. According here the half of means your probability is 1. The entropy of strong is 1 and the entropy of weak is 0.811. This shows the perfect randomness of half atom belongs to one class and half atom belongs to other class. Calculate the information gain here. The information gain here, the formula again here, the entropy, first entropy of sample, that is 940, then entropy of weak, probability of weak multiply by information gain is weak minus probability of strong into entropy of strong, that is 0.940 minus 8 by 14 into 0.811 minus 6 by 14 into 1, that is you get the here information gain is 0.048. The similarity we can calculate the information gain for other attributes, that is outlook is 0.246, information gain for temperature with 0.029, then humidity 0.151. The attributes outlook has the highest information gain here, that is 0.246. Thus it is chosen as a root node. They are comparing these outlook, temperature and humidity, 3 attributes according which is the highest information gain, that is the outlook, and then outlook as a root node. Overcast has a 3 value, sunny, overcast and rain. Overcast with the play cricket is always yes, so it is end up with the leaf node yes. For the other values sunny and rain, the table of for outlook as a sunny will be temperature hot, hot, mild, cold and mild. Humidity high, high, normal. Then wind is weak, strong, weak, weak and strong. The play the cricket no, no, no aces. According here, entropy of outlook sunny is 3 by 5 log 3 by 5 base 2 minus again the same formula for positive as well as negative values, then 2 by 5 log 2 by 5 base 2. According you get the here entropy option is 0.96. Then information gain for the attributes with respect to the sun is information gain for humidity is 0.96, temperature 0.57, information for wind is 0.019. The information gain for humidity is highest. Here information gain for humidity is highest, therefore it is chosen as the next node. Similarly, entropy is calculated for rain. Wind gives the highest information gain. The decision tree would like below. According, you can construct here decision tree for the above informations. Outlook is your root nodes, sunny and rain, and overcast. Yes. Then humidity. Here the humidity is high. Then no to play the cricket. No. If humidity is normal, then you can play the cricket. Then another here suppose outlook, then rain, and windy is strong, then no playing the cricket. If the wind is weak, then you can play the cricket. That is the here one of the instances here where that is outlook is equal to sunny, humidity is equal to high, wind is strong, is classified as a negative instant. That is no the cricket. This is our example how to construct the decision tree. Any problem, ask me. Thank you for watching this video.